from our U.S. affiliates to humanity around the world, bringing you the latest in news from Sovereign Church of Elohim, One Blood International, and the worldwide work. This is the Global News Network. Hear the true stories behind the news stories, and meet the men and women whose everyday work is changing lives in the course of human history. Now, broadcasting live from GNN Regional Headquarters in the U.S., this is Clayton Luce with the latest report. In One Blood News today, His Excellency Apostle Dr. Kenneth D. Jackson Sr., the head of Sovereign Church of Elohim International and the Gambian Ambassador at Large, continues to demonstrate SCEI One Blood's concern for humanity as his organization prepares refurbished buses and ambulances for conveyance to the West African state of the Gambia. The buses are Bluebird's TC2000 diesels, customized for the African climate and road conditions, while the ambulances are refurbished Ford E350s, 7.3 turbo diesels. This is not the first or second times for such intervention. It is, however, the modern-day reality of a dream the ambassador first activated in 1976. Convinced that he could ultimately make a positive difference in the world, Dr. Jackson ignored the doubts of his family and friends and the scoffing and mockery of the prolific gainsayers, and with $250 began One Blood International, which he prophesied would grow to have a positive international human impact. Well, he's accomplished just that with intervention in 34 countries to date. After acquiring and demonstrating expertise in multiple seemingly unrelated areas, he returned to West Africa, his ancestral home, to begin the implementation of his economic micro-model of independent food capacity, sufficiency, and security as the foundation of economic and social stability and development. Supported by a vast array of his colleagues, developed professionals, and other innovative, humanity-loving entrepreneurs, he continues to patiently and progressively dispel restrictive and handicapping, contrary perspectives by strategically navigating forward and upward as an inspiration to conservatively scores of thousands around the world. Unlike typical high-level clerics, chief executives, and diplomats, Dr. Jackson is a hands-on, expect-what-you-inspect, show-tell leader that values practical experience-based expertise over purely theory or book-based expertise. When the standard says it can't be done, Dr. Jackson's perspective is, there's got to be a way, let's see if we can find it. By doing so, he has shattered many paradigms with the reality of success. And when asked why he does things that way, his response was, I am a frustrated intellectual. Trying to positively accomplish the impossible is my therapy. Any way you look at it, the world would be a better place if there were several thousand Dr. Jacksons distributed among the masses of humanity.